Can't lie, the Mustangs is hard. They get a lot of stuff, but Mustangs is really hard when you think about them. I want to review one of these. How did he hit him? Is no other traffic. You had enough time. He wasn't even going fast. He had enough time to slow down. He just hit him. Oh, damn. Damn. I fell in love with Turo. I just got the roll with 10. I got 2 for 2. Come get both of these bitches. Damn. Bro, he has no rim. He got no tire or rim. Rotation like some rotisserie chicken, nigga. Kick his pussy ass out the circle like no he's fuck action, bro. God damn. Bro, stop. His wheel fell off. Damn. No, mommies. Hey, what is that? The whole axle. God, whoa. Can I just put some tires? Bro, y'all can't tell me the Camaros ain't hard. Bro, comment down below, is the Camaros underappreciated? They small in the inside, though. That's what I don't like about them. You get an inside, it's really only 2-seater. They really was supposed to. It's really damn Corvette size in the front, bro. You really only need 2 people in there. You can't fit nobody in the back of a. You can't fit nobody in the back of a Camaro. That's hard though. Looking at the front grille, this is probably a 2023 Camaro. Oh, got him. He trying to get up out of there. Get up out of there, Dusky. He trying to get up out of there.
The officials were hoping that
bro, he just got in front of the police car. Crazy.
These devices installed in intersections would put a stop to illegal street takeovers, but then multiple takeovers happened overnight, including at Central and Alondra and Wilmington and Caldwell. Bot stops were installed in some intersections in Compton in recent weeks. The city spent thousands of dollars on this pilot program and hoped that it would deter cars from taking over and doing donuts. And they said if it worked, they were planning to put them in additional intersections. Well, apparently they did not work.
This is the Oakland Police Department. You are to leave the area west on Foothill Boulevard. Go towards 42nd Avenue.
Why is he still driving up? He ain't about to do what I think he about to do. Oh, bro, people is crazy hitting the police car. What the fuck, bro? I thought he was gonna back up, but he kept creeping up though. They're like, we ain't even gonna chase him. Bro, why is he steady backing up? That's called a Dodge Viper. Yeah, that's a Dodge Viper. He backing up, bro, about to hit him. What he about to do?
Oh, no way! He just fucking hit him with a car! No.
Imagine you coming outside, you parked your car, somebody hit your car. I ain't gonna lie, I'm ready to fight. I'm ready to fight. Cause my car wasn't doing nothing, it wasn't in your way. You hit my car. What the fuck?
Oh, no way!
Damn.
He just fucking hit him with a car! No.
That was crazy. Oh.
No, bro.
Damn.
Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trigger. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low.
Damn.
All of my cars get delivered with no mouth.
He in between the door. Corvette. What is they shooting? Damn. They going crazy. Bro, that just went on for like 10 seconds. Probably 15 seconds. I'm finna set a timer. Start it. It's still going. Bro, how long do y'all think that just went on for? Y'all not even finna believe it. Comment down below how long y'all think they was having a shootout. 45 seconds. Probably 40 to 45. It say 45 on here, but that was damn near the shootout they was having in BMF, that scene. Let me know if y'all remember the scene in BMF, bro. They went to the projects and had a shootout for like a whole hour. No police or nothing. Bro, that's what it felt like. That mug looks nice. It's like a Porsche. Bro, keep the camera up. Bro, you just made me mad, bro. He didn't even keep the camera up. Bro, if you gonna record something, at least record and hold the camera up, bro. You didn't even hold the camera up.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Damn. Damn.
Damn.
Out the way. It's on fire. The Corvette is on fire. Damn. The vet is on fire.
Fresh as hell at the crib for no fucking reason. Fresh as hell at the crib, but I ain't fucking leaving.
Bro, the Corvette is on fire.